Oh no. 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 Oh. What's up here? Nothing good. Can I go down? I can. Where am I now? Oh. Why now? Ooh. No, you don't. Whoa. Ooh. What? No. Ah. Come on. Yeah. No. Already? Ah. That's why the threat music was picking up. That seems like a much better way to go than the way I was taking before. There's a centipede right through there, isn't there? Yeah. Uh-oh. Okay, they ignored me. That wasn't very nice. Free food. Ooh. How did I not point out how incredibly nice this place looks? Ah, that's not nice. Yep, here we go. Are you stuck? Nope. Well, this is a problem. Unless I somehow make it ignore me. Okay. Whew. We're through. And we made it. I don't have enough food, do I? I do. Who says that Sky Islands is... Oh. Oh, and there's a rainbow. Ooh. Whoa! Bat chain? That's something. Sky Islands isn't that hard. This is new. Well, new to me. What are those? Ooh. It's a big one. Where is this? I know it's the farmer race, but it doesn't look like anything I've seen before. If the screen shifts down, does that mean there's more down here? Yes, it does. Ah, there's a thing up there. What are those? So many new things here. It looks like there should be water in these places. What is this? Can I eat it? No? Okay. These seem fun. This doesn't. I have no idea where I'm going. It's this grass again. Which is really bad. Oh. Is it just me, or is that a very large lizard? Oh no. Well, in I go. Oh no, I'm stuck over this side again. Yay. Time to get more food. I much prefer this place to what I just witnessed. I can get a bit more food. I should go. The music is saying I should leave, so I'll leave. Okay, Farmer Race round 2. Here we go again. Ow. I don't trust noodle flies. I don't trust that thing either. I just need some food. Wow. For a place called the Farmer Race, you'd think they'd have something edible. Whoa. That scared me. But it's just a reindeer. Wow. I don't know anything about those apart from you can apparently ride them. So I'm looking forward to struggling to do that. Centipedes. At least they don't fly this time. No. No, you don't. There's another one. Oh. At this rate, I'm heading back to the bat flies in the Sky Islands. These things keep making me jump. You see something huge, you think it'll attack you by this point. There's food. Yep, I'm done. There's more food. There is a tiny chance that I might be able to make it. Grab the food and go. Now that is cutting it close. I need to find where those bat flies came from. Oh. Okay, that wasn't bad. What are these things? Useful? Helpful as well? Right, pain. Don't you make me drop you. Because I will. Oh. There's the food. I remember this place. It wasn't good. I can't get over there. Well, down we go, I guess. I think the only thing I can do is try to cross those things using the reindeer. I don't know how to get them to bend down. That isn't good. Is it these things? I don't know what reindeer eat. You want this? You're under me. Hey, let me up. I can't get up. There we go. Whoa. Uh-oh. Okay. Just a lizard. This isn't even the room I need to do this in, is it? And I guess I'll get off here, because there's nothing further on.